Hey everyone, this is what you'll need for the math practice today. We're looking at multiples. I've just got two coloured pencils or pens I'm using, scissors and a ruler and paper. You can use coloured paper. And so this week your child has hopefully chosen a number, a multiple that they are practicing. For example, I can look at 3, my 3 times table, and I write the number 3 up the top here. Then I'm going to make sure the paper is lengthways. Going to write our first multiplication problem, which is 3 times 1 equals 3. And this is where you use your ruler and the other colour. And you're going to measure out a rectangle of 3 centimetres. And hopefully your problem will fit inside that rectangle. Okay, and then we continue on. We have our second problem. We have 3 times 2, or 3 taken 2 times, equals 6. And now we're actually going to change the size of our rectangle, so we want it to be 6 centimeters. We want it to be double the size of this rectangle. And then we go on to our third problem, so 3 taken 3 times equals 9. And you guessed it, it's going to be 3 times the length of the first one. It's going to be 9 centimeters in length. And so it's really important that the children see they're going to have this physical representation of the answer, that the size of these boxes gets longer and longer each time. Now, I didn't have to do 3 centimeters. It just works out really well for multiples of 3. I could do any length as long as I double it and then I triple it. And then you can see we're going to go quite far out here. So you need almost, you might need a longer paper depending on how far down you go. So go 3 taken 4 times, it's 12, and so this rectangle will be 12 centimeters long. Oops. Okay, and then I go, and in Montessori we go up to 3 times 10, but you can go beyond that, of course. And then at the end, we get them to cut out the rectangles. And what we're actually making here is a paper version of the material that we have in the classroom called the bead cabinet, or the multiples chains. And so this is just another fun way to represent it, and you can line them up here. Okay, this way, see how long your chain goes. You can play some games with these, just choose one, give me the answer. But the main concept here is that they have a physical representation of this multiplication problem. That 3 times 2 is something that is this big, and it's double what 3 times 1 is. And this one is triple. I can fit 3 of these in here. And this one is 4 times, etc., etc. So that, I hope that's a fun activity for your children to do for today. And yeah, thank you.